This is a little tutorial on how to use some actions that I created that will help you do seamless repeats. Seamless repeats can be used for website background imagery or for textile designs and a lot of other applications. So I'm going to start by creating a new document, and the size doesn't matter at all. I'm going to go with, say, 300 pixels by 300 pixels for this example, and I'm going to just draw a simple image of a flower. Grab some brown here and make a stem, and I'm going to make some rudimentary leaves. Nothing fancy here. This is just to show you how to use the action, so bear with my clumsy looking artwork. And I'm going to make a little yellow thing for a flower, and some pink petals. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is repeat this out. I have action here called repeat 9. It's going to take this design and repeat it 9 times. So let's play that action. Now if we look at the split screen, you'll see that we have the original image on the right and the multiplied out image on the left. So now we want to make a seamless repeat out of this. So first thing I'm going to do is maybe grab some brown and make some scrolly things that come out like that, and I'm going to hit save. Every time I hit save, it's going to get updated on the screen to the left. So as you can see, there's some areas that aren't coming together very well. So what I want to do is use this other two actions I created. One's called half shift and the other one's called half drop. I have them connected to shortcut keys, so I'm just going to close that up, and I'm going to do F5 on my computer. That's where I have this shortcut for this action, and there it is. So you can see what it did was it moved the repeat over to the left so that the seam is in the center between those two edges. So you can easily see the problem now. So what I'm going to do is edit this and maybe erase a little bit there and bring those two pieces together. Hit save and update it, and we still got issues here. So this time I'm going to use the drop action, which is going to drop things down, and now we can fix that up right there. Connect those 2 points, and this isn't going to work because it just goes nowhere, so I'm going to move that and maybe bring it over like that. Let's save that. Okay, that's looking seamless now, right? Then you can pretty it up if you want to add some more leaves, maybe another flower over here. This isn't intended to be a pretty design, it's just to show you how this thing works. Put another flower there to kind of balance things out. So there you have it. There's a seamless repeat. Now I'm going to close this out, and just to show you, you can do some more abstract things than that. Let's do another one. Create a new workspace. Let's make this one 350 by 350. just to show you, prove to you that I can do it in any size. And this time I'm going to grab the brush tool instead of the pencil tool and just create some kind of blurry random colors. Let's toss in a little yellow. Alright, so let's go ahead and use that repeat 9 action again. Split the screen, and there you have it. You can see all those seams are in there pretty severe. So I'm going to go in here and shift it over. There's our seam, and I got different choices. I could brush it in there, I could use a smudge tool, just kind of clean up these edges like so. Save that, see how it looks. Now we still got a horizontal seam, so we're going to drop it down. And let's clean that up like so, and save that. And just to do something a little more interesting, let's go into Gaussian blur and blur it out some like that. Hit save again. It's going to create some seams, so we want to do another shift. And this time I'm going to use the smudge tool and just smudge things around a little bit. Oops, hit the wrong button there, sorry. And, you can just create all kinds of patterns like that. I'm not going to waste your time with my creativity or lack thereof, but there you have it. So to get this these actions, what you need to do is they're completely free. It's just a way for me to get some traffic to my website. So if you look at my blog there on this YouTube video, you'll see the website address where you can download these actions. They're at allocoidesigns.com, and so I hope you enjoy them. Thanks.